Hey everyone, so I'm in Japan and I want this to be so easy for you to negotiate immigration and customs. I'm going to walk you through the whole thing on a screencast right now. I know I don't believe in vertical videos, but everything's vertical, so I'm doing it vertical now. This is what you do to have no problems when you come to Japan. So for me on an iPhone, I put this website down here into Safari, then I go there and I save it, add to my home screen right there. Visit Japan, there it's added. So now when I click on that, it takes me to the website easy. I'm not scrambling to figure anything out. Then I'm gonna log in with all my credentials, Face ID, it all logged in, remember me. So now I'm all logged in really easily. Your details, then go to planned arrival dates. Okay, there it all is. Then this is a QR code, disembarkation card for foreigners. You click on that and shot that, the blue one. Place, you scan your passport. This is your custom declaration. You basically say you don't have anything, never been a criminal, and you scan this in with your passport and you're done.